Hiya, I'm doing a parade unboxing. Okay, so they just launched today. This is their newest collection. This is their underwear collection. I forgot the name. But they, guess what? For my plus size girlies, get excited, get lit, because they added a 5XL size. So if you're that size, you're definitely gonna love this brand. It's inclusive and they got your size, girl. And it's hard for a lot of brands to have a lot of plus size sizes because of vendors, and they mainly sell for small, medium, large. It's hard to come by extra large, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL. It's a lot of work. So it's cool that Parade kept trying and made their brand, their business, be very inclusive. That they took forever, but finally they got y'all their 5XL beauty. So yeah, definitely try this brand out. I love their clothes. They're all soft, comfortable. It's not super affordable, but it's not super expensive. I think it's a good in between. Certain things are very expensive to me. Some are affordable. Some are in the medium range. And they always have sales. And you can use my discount code as well to save more money. So I personally shop their website. This is from them. This is an oversized shirt. This is in the size large. And yeah, it's just orange. It's very soft and comfortable. I just love it. Like this, I could use it to go out or to be at home. Their clothes are good for loungewear, to go out. They have dresses, underwear. I buy all their bras, their underwears. They're very comfortable and soft. Their t-shirts, their sweats, leggings, hoodies, coats, jackets. They have everything. So if you like fashion, if you like comfortable clothes or stylish clothes, then please check out their brand, their website. I'm gonna put everything in the description bar or box, however you call it. So yeah. And it's a Latino-owned business. Like, it's hard to come by a great one like that, because usually it's kind of harder for us to go get big, you know, or when it comes to like makeup, fashion, anything. But no. And then like most of the proceeds go to an organization of your choice. Like if you buy something from them, at the end they give you like options of which organization you want to fund and help by, and it's included in your cart. You don't even have to add extra money, if that makes sense. With the little bit of money you spend, or how much, you just still choose one automatically, and they send your money to that place. It's hard, you know, to choose which one and do the research. They have it for you. Just pick one and they just send your money, and it's safe, trust me. You'll see when you buy in their website, you're gonna figure it out. So, and what else? It's basically a sustainable brand. It's ethical, it's cruelty-free, eco-friendly. It's very good. So you're not but shame though. The team, they don't even pay their workers. They make them work so many hours and they don't get breaks. But not only that, the bad treatment, it's not ethical. It's their clothes is fast fashion. You already know. Sometimes, you know, it's hard to not buy fast fashion because the clothes are very cute there, the prints, the designs, and it's very, very cheap and affordable. So I get that if people buy Shane still, because it's hard out here. The inflation going up, the gas prices going up, everything is going up literally. So I understand, but if you have a little bit more money, try and buy clothes and sustainable, eco-friendly brands like Parade, like this brand, or other brands. There's other brands out there. You don't have to support this brand, but I don't know, just an FYI if you don't know. I just like to share information, you know. So no hate, I don't judge if you buy fast fashion, Shein, or any other brand. I'm just saying in case you want to change, you know, or make a difference. If you want, you don't have to. I'm not forcing you. I just like to share positive information, you know, so take it how you want it. But yeah, basically that's it. The little intro of the brand. I'll probably put the code here, I don't know, or the brand names collection. So they sent me 2 things, which are these. I did choose these. They sent me like a link of what to send, of what to choose, and I just chose these right away. I was like, I love yellow, I love blue. I was like, I just need it. I think I already have blue underwear. I always have blue, but I was like, you know what? And also because I think this is a new material they have. It's cotton, but the new style of underwear. I don't think I've seen these, so I was like, I kind of want to try these. And they also had the other types that they always sell. I was quick. Listen, I took like an hour or so later to check the invite, so there's probably more options. I just didn't get to see it fast enough because I wasn't early enough. But anyway, so I'm gonna start with the happy one, the yellow sunshine one. So this is called Evening Primrose, but like always, their name here is probably not the same on their website, so I'll probably put it here. And it's a string cheeky style underwear, so it's not a thong, but it's not a granny panty. It's a good in between to me, and it's comfortable. So it kind of looks like lime green, neon green. So I love neon green, yellow, all those kind of. You see, it's still like a sexy thong, but not really. But in the back, it covers your butt kind of. It kind of looks more like a bikini. Yeah, it's like a bikini. So if you like those style of underwear, you're gonna like this one. They had a lot of other colors. I just chose these 2. I think they had more, I don't know, but you see it's a size medium. It's so soft, look. And it's stretchable. Their clothes are stretchable, look, and very, very great. I just love their brand. And I'm not being biased, it's for real. I just wear a lot of their clothes in the daily, so yeah, this is pretty much for this one. So I love the color. This is my favorite one so far. So, and it's super soft, obviously their clothes. So okay, this one's in the same size, the same style, but it's in the color navy blazer. So let's see. Oh yeah, this one's a pretty, this one darker blue, so it's the same style. So this is good for days like you don't want to wear black, but you don't want to wear white. You don't want to wear something so bright, but something so dark. So you go with blue, or gray, or like really. But anyways, it's what's that? Pelusa. It's okay. I don't mind. Let's ignore that. But yeah, it's the same material, same style, everything. So which one's your favorite? I prefer the bright one, the colorful one. So, oh yeah, if y'all don't know, did y'all wear your yellow underwear for New Year's or your red underwear? Like, are y'all looking for money, cash money flow, be in millionaire status, or find love and get married? What are y'all intentions this year? Let me know. Me, I didn't have a yellow underwear, so, but I was like, I need to wear my yellow underwear, and I was like, oh, crap, I gave it away. I was like, wow, that would have been a perfect moment. So guess what, now I have one. I don't even know if it counts. It looks more like green to be honest, but you know what, maybe I'll buy another yellow underwear from them, like actual bright yellow or something, I don't know. But no, this time I just wore red. I was like, you know what, it's not my goal this year, but if it happens, it happens. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wear it because it's right there, you know, you never know. So yeah, pretty much it. So I'm gonna end it here. So look, I'm wearing all parade. Oh, I want a matching bra, the same material. Oh my gosh, I don't know if they have it. I want to check and see, because I'm trying to get super comfortable clothes. I'm a comfy queen. Like, I prefer to look comfortable than look super cute and stylish for every day. Like, if I'm going to outside to do errands or anything, I just don't care how I look. I just don't even do my hair or makeup. But so yeah, that's my style most of the time. But I do like fashion. I love to dress up, do DIY, create clothes. I have some examples that I used to make years ago. But I haven't done any fashion related things anymore, DIY, nothing. But maybe one day I'll come back and get on the zone, because ever since I started doing makeup, that's just been my main focus. So I don't know, I gotta change it up, you know. It's, you know, to not focus on one thing you like, but other things, or, you know, maybe you even like the other thing more than what you're doing now, you know. Just, it's good to try new things every year. So it's probably this year, I don't know, we'll see. But okay, so I'm gonna end it here. Bye, thanks for watching.